Siya po na lang natin. Divina, anong gusto mong kantahin?
Ayan.
Yung nararamdaman mo.
Ayan, may number na.
Alam mo, para medyo ma-relax ang isip mo, nakakaisip mo, para ma-relax, kumanta-kanta ka muna.
Kumanta ka. Tayo mo ng 5 piso.
Okay na, inabunuhan ko na.
Sige.
Lola!
Iha.
Pinagkakakitaan pala yun.
Oo, 5 piso yung person. Hiyang-hiya ka pa yan, ha?
Just making the most of the time. To their bodies become one.
Lola, naiyak mo ako eh.
Sige lang.
I see you.
Kitang-kita naman namin eh.
Hanggang maging okay ka.
Can you feel the weight of my step? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. And you know it's true. I never wanted before 5, 6. It's so brand